Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video, we are going to continue words ups of class 10, page number 90, exercise 4.1, 4 sum. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, then find the number of boys and number of girls who took part in the quiz. Okay. So first convert the given question. First identify what are the unknowns here. Here the unknowns are boys and girls guys. So let the boys be x and girls be y. It is up to you. You can mark anyone, anything. Either mark boys as y, girls as x is up to you. Now, so we need to find x comma y guys. The number of boys and number of girls who participate in the quiz. Okay. So according to the sum, what is given? 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. 10 students means it is 10 students are the combination of boys and girls. Therefore, boys plus girls participation is 10. So x plus y equal 10. That is equation 1 guys. So make x as subject or y as subject. So I took x as subject. X equal to 10 minus y. You keep aside. Now what is other statement given? If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. Okay. So x equal to guys 4 more than boys. Okay, x equal to 4 more than boys. So this is equation 2. Solving 1 and 2 guys. Solving 1 and 2 we get y equal to 3. We get y equal to 3. Students, ఇక్కడ number of girls is 4 more than number of boys అని ఇచ్చారు. సో x equal to y plus 4 అవుతుంది. Okay, 4 more than number of boys. So this is equation 2. Now solving 1 and 2 guys, we get after solving we get y equal to 3. Okay, after getting y equal to 3, substitute y equal to 3 in either 1 or 2 guys. So we get x equal to 7. Therefore the required point is x comma y is 7 comma 3. Therefore the number of students who participate in the quiz in mathematical quiz is boys is 7, girls is 3. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.